everyone. I am Jenber B. Castro, and please like and share in this video and subscribe in this YouTube channel, name of Jenber Castro Talk Channel. In this page, please say like it, follow it, interview with Jenber Castro. And this is Christine Jane Pasete. I will give 20 questions. Okay, ready, Rad? Ready? Your timer starts now. Okay, left or right? Saan ba kita gumamela?
Sa pagita.
Morning, afternoon.
Morning.
Bundok, dagat.
Bundok.
Nanay, tatay.
Nanay.
Sweet or sweet spicy.
Sweet.
Pera, pag-ibig.
Pag-ibig.
FB, TikTok. Sing, dancing. Cookies or cupcakes. Kung aalis ka, saan ka pupunta? Kung bulaklak ka, ano ka? Kung hayop ka, ano ka? Favorite expression? Pass lamang rin. Paano ka maka-best friends mo sa classmates? Ano ra? What is greatest achievement? Sino nakapogi sa classmate mo? Sino ang lalaki? Sino ang mas magwapo sa classmate mo? Wala. What makes you laugh? What makes your friendship? Describe your spelling words. Ano spelling mo? Sige, spell wait lang. Spell wait lang. Ano spelling ko wait lang. Ano spelling ko? Spell ang December. Correct. Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Yes or no? Does age matter? Yes or no? Does size matter? Complete the statement. Gusto ko maging na maganda ng... Okay. 10 seconds. Okay.